Welcome to Music with Mrs. Avery. In this lesson, we are going to look closer at the tambourine and drum, and we are going to learn how to play them using the proper technique. Now, I know you may not have a tambourine or a drum in your learning environment, but if you do, go ahead and get them now. Or I'd like you to find some objects around your learning environment that are similar to these instruments. So for the tambourine, you may want to go and get a paper plate or a plastic plate or a frisbee. And for the drum, you could go and get a bowl or a pot or a large tin can. So go ahead and pause this video and see if you can find two objects that would resemble the tambourine and drum. Now that you have your objects, let's get started. First, we're going to start with the tambourine. Remember, the tambourine has a wooden body, a plastic head, and these little metal jingles around the outside. So go ahead and pick up your object that resembles the tambourine, like a plate or a frisbee. In one hand, you are going to grab the outside of that object, and you're going to hold it out in front of you like this. Now, when we're holding the tambourine, we hold it in front of us just like this. We don't hold it out to the side or in front of us or under our arm, but we grasp it in a fist on the outside and hold it up here. Now, when we play the tambourine, we play with a flat hand. So we'll use this flat hand to tap the tambourine, and your hand comes to the tambourine. Do not bring the tambourine to your hand. So when you tap the tambourine, it looks like this. Can you try that with your object? Great job. Let's tap the tambourine 4 times. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now check your technique. Are you holding the tambourine up like so? And are you playing it with a flat hand? Let's play 4 more times together. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now, the other way to play the tambourine is to shake the tambourine. Now, your object may not shake, but you can still practice playing with the correct technique. So, you are going to use your wrist and you are going to move it side to side in order to shake your tambourine, just like this. Can you try that with me? Go. Excellent. Let's try playing 4 times. We will shake our tambourines 4 times. Here we go. Ready and play. Fantastic. How about one more time? Make sure you're moving that wrist side to side. Ready and play. You are doing a great job learning proper technique with the tambourine. Now, let's get out our drum. You should have a bowl or a pot or a big can. Now, remember, the drum also has a wooden body and a plastic head. And remember, our drum in the classroom does not have any bottom. So, using proper technique, we have to hold the drum either between our knees or under our arm. That is because this bottom part of the drum cannot sit on a table or on the floor, because when we play, that sound would just hit the table or hit the floor. We want that sound to travel out into the air, into our ears. So I'm going to hold the drum under one arm. Now, very similar to the tambourine, we play the drum with a flat hand. And in music class, we are only going to use one hand, not two. So if you are holding your drum between your knees, go ahead and place one hand behind your back. So with a flat hand, we are going to tap on the head of our drums. Listen. Can you play your drum with me? Excellent. Now, let's go ahead and play 4 times in a row. Ready and play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now check your technique. Are you using a flat hand? Remember, make sure that drum is not touching the table or the floor. We want that sound to be able to travel to our ears. Let's play 4 more times in a row. 1 more time together. Flat hands up. Ready and play. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have done an amazing job learning the proper technique while playing the tambourine and drum. For your activity in Seesaw, you are going to demonstrate proper technique with your tambourine object and drum object. I would like for you to record a video and show me how to hold the instrument and how to play the instrument. Remember, you are going to show me how you tap and shake the tambourine object and how you tap the drum object. I look forward to seeing your video. Thank you for joining me.